Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DLIAQ right now, currently at 0021. Beautiful move here with this volume. Look at this volume right now, 4 million. Okay, 4 million at 1 p.m. Eastern. That volume is still building up here. Look at the last 5 trading days here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful moves here on the volume as well. Again, first time covering this one. You guys got through that 18 mark. That 18 mark was going to be a little bit of a resistance from February 7th. But that being said, now that is going to be that 19. You guys did break through there. You guys have a little bit of a gap between the 19 and 20. Outside that upper boundary band as of right now, RSI currently at 71. One thing that I am noticing about this is that it likes to ride this 10-day simple moving average, even though you guys have a move up here. And then it opens up way down here, like gap down. So this is the exact opposite of those gap ups. But it does rebound off that 10-day simple moving average fairly well, especially with that interest here building. I from the looks of it, even though that this volume's here, it seems like that there's not enough demand for it or interest. But hopefully that is going to build, because in my personal opinion, looking at this one, you guys get some interest building this one could really rock it up even much higher. Especially with the volume here. This volume's been picking up. Taking a look at this chart to give you an idea, right here is August of 2016. So this is basically all you guys have had in trading for like the last 8 months or so. Right there, with that being said, I would, again, watch that gap there. If this volume slows down, it could pull back down to that 0012 area, which is now going to be a point that I would watch. That's where it likes to open at and fill back up. So that's what you're seeing here every single day, to move up, pull back down, move back up. Really weird, honestly, really weird. But this is kind of what you see when stocks are starting to build interest. So with that being said, we're going to keep an eye on this one. I think they can get in lower, but overall, it's starting to gain some strength.
All right, so with this one right here, I'm limited on what I can pull up because it's got the stop sign with pink, no information. The latest, there was an 8K on it from February 27, 2015. And that was stated on that. It says, on February 25th, 2015, the NASDAQ stock market announced that it will delist the common stock of dELiA Incorporated, the company. The company's stock was suspended on December 22nd, 2014, and has not traded on NASDAQ since that time. The delisting becomes effective 10 days after the Form 25 is filed by NASDAQ with the Securities and Exchange Commission. So that was pretty much it. So I mean, it's got the Q on it, so that normally represents bankruptcy. So I don't know what's going on. I mean, if the volume picks up out of nowhere like this, maybe if anybody has an opinion or knows more of what's going on with the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that DLIAQ board on Investor Signal.
All right, yeah, as far as the chart goes as well, like I said, there is a gap at that 00219, support at 19 and 12, resistance at 25 and 30. You guys start breaking through that 25, this one could skyrocket up. I think we've already seen that here. That's what I've seen with the past as well. So if volume slows, recalling of yeah, so watching for that break of 0025 is definitely one that I would watch with this as well. But like I said, there's that gap in there at that 2019 I would watch. But, you know, over the like Joe said, there's really not too much going on with the company itself. But as far as the chart goes, I mean, like I said, it's kind of a weird trading situation here. I would play it safe, but you know what? You can still profit from it. A break of that 25. You guys see what happens here. It rallies up really fast. I am going to continue watching this one, and I hope you do too. DLIAQ. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and share this video. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover, and we will watch this one more next week as well. Join us live, investorshangout.com/live.